Kumusta po kayong lahat mga kaibigan? Welcome to another video na sasagot po sa inyong mga katanungan at nakatanggap tayo ng isang tanong o isang comment from another from another platform. Ang tanong po niya dito, bakit na-suspend ang loan account after magbayad ng buo? What's up guys? For today's video, pag-uusapan po natin ng isang nakakalokang experience na baka na-encounter nyo na rin po sa mga digital banks and loan applications. Yung nagbayad ka ng maaga dahil meron kang extra cash, expecting na magagamit mo ulit yung credit limit mo. Tapos biglang boom! Panis, suspended ang account. Let's dive into a recent viral scenario from Reddit. The good payer problem. Nag-post po yung isang OP, yan, si Aika sa Reddit asking if anyone has experienced having their Mari loan suspended right after paying off their remaining balance quickly using some extra cash. Nakaka-frustrate, 'di ba? Imbis na ma-reward ka for being a good payer, na-lock pa yung account mo. Kung titignan po natin yung itong image na pinakita niya, makikita natin na yung mismong warning sa Maribank app mismo, nakalagay doon ay sorry, your account is suspended. Please contact customer service for assistance. Sayang. Dahil may available credit ka pa sanang 30,000 na naka-standby. Bakit nga ba ganito yung nangyayari? Bakit pinaparusahan ng system ang pagbabayad ng maaga? Here are here are the common reasons why digital loan apps flag these types of transactions. Number one, algorithmic triggers. Most digital banks rely heavily on AI. Kapag may sudden change sa payment behavior mo tulad ng biglaang pagbabayad ng malaking halaga ng buo, minsan napaflag ito ng system as unusual activity. Pangalawa po, anti-fraud security. Gusto lang i-verify ng system kung saan galing yung biglaang funds para masigurong hindi na-compromise ang account mo. Number three, system cool down. May mga platforms na sadyang naglalagay po ng cooling period. After mo ma-fully paid ang isang loan bago ka nila payagang mag-withdraw ulit, nagkakaroon ng cooling off. Paano ito maayos at gaano katagal? Kung nangyari po ito sa inyo, don't panic. Here are the steps you can expect. Number one, contact the customer service. As prompted po sa image na pinadala po niya, you need to reach out to their support team directly. Ito ang magti-trigger ng manual review sa account mo. Wait for the review process. Depende sa dami ng backlog nila. A manual review can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. In some extreme cases, umaabot po ito ng ilang linggo. And susunod, account restoration. The good news, yes, marirestore din yan as long as legitimate ang funds na ginamit mo at wala kang na-violate na terms and conditions. Your account and credit limit will eventually be unlocked. Kayo po ba guys? Have you ever experienced getting your loan account suspended exactly like this? Right after mong magbayad? Let me know in the comment section sa ibaba kung gaano katagal bago na-lift ang suspension sa inyong account. Ako po si Chico. Kung may katanungan po kayo, please comment down below. Ako po si Chico. Enjoy the rest of the day and God bless po.